Hey everybody, JD here once again. Welcome back to the channel. Sean over at the Scale Model Car Guy channel did a video about some of his Gunze Sangyo. I think they were MGs. I think they were. This is kind of the same kit that Matthew at Model Car Videos has built. And I mentioned I have a 1/32 scale Thunderbird, 63 Thunderbird, that I still have. I built this kit, oh good lord, this is a 19, I have to look, I think it's a 1985 kit. I don't even remember where I bought this at. I've had it for years. I built it. I believe I painted the interior. I think the body is still the plastic. I don't think I painted it. I think I cleared it. I think I painted maybe I painted the mud flaps. Came out really nice. Yes, I think I painted the fender skirts, I should say. I don't think the body is painted. The interior I painted. If I were to do this again, I would probably do it with a red and white interior, but it's just a very simple kit. I really like building it. I have a 59 Impala that I built. Let's see if it's buried someplace. I know I have it somewhere. I would love to build this kit again if I could find one. I haven't actually looked, but some paint work too. This kit is, I probably built this 25, 30 years ago. But I told him I would do a video on it. Like I said, I have a 59 Impala. I'll have to dig it out. I know where it's buried. I think it's in a case and it's buried in a corner. Somewhere behind a bunch of stuff that I'd have to dig it out. But the thing I love about this kit is the Japanese translation for a lot of the things. I think it's something about the wings or something like that. But you know, I didn't want to put the I didn't use the wire wheels. Didn't really even realize I had notes in here. What is this? Rangoon red? I don't know. Oh, there's the top. You have to forgive me. I'm using a new camera. My other camera. I'm trying to see if I can do something a little different, a little bit better compared to what I used to. My other camera. I'm using my Sony, which doesn't like to talk to my computer, but oh, a little too close there. Let's back up just a little bit. There we go. 1/32 scale instead of the 1/24th, I think what Sean's kits were, but big old huge and interesting instruction sheet. Nice colored pictures. I like the red because red kind of seems iconic for a Thunderbird, but like I said, I didn't do the wide white walls. I didn't put the Continental kit on it because I'm not about that, but it came out nice. I should put it in a case. You can see this used to be a motor kit, so it was a gear. So I guess this was like my Aoshima Chaser, where it's supposed to be a motorized kit. But I built it. I think I clear coated the body, and it's been living in this box ever since. I need to get it out and start working on it, or get it out because it came out decent, and I'd like to display it. But that'll be a someday thing. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.